Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2010 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.